In this video, you will get great tips and tools to really guide your child to breathing in the really calming, soothing, deeply enriching way, to bring mindfulness to them and to help them calm themselves. Thank you so much for spending your limited parenting time to be here. If you like what I have to share, please subscribe. Also hit the bell. By hitting the bell, you will be notified when I post new videos. I do post videos once a week, so always check back. Hey, Abundant Parents, it's Leah. I have Christina here with Joy Fuel Life, and we just finished recording an amazing workshop all about being mindful with your kids, teaching them to be mindful with themselves, helping them with positive self-talk, and bringing the tool of meditation into their lives. As an additional piece of this, we wanted to do a little video for you all about really helping your kids to breathe. And we know your kids are all breathing every single day, but we're talking about the really deep, mindful breath that really fuels your body and makes you feel like you're stretching and growing in a loving, healthy way from the inside out. So Christina, if you wouldn't mind sharing, take it away.
Sure. So I want to say it's foolproof because I did that with my daughter and she's 3. So she did it. So it's good. One of the things that you can really do is an exercise that's called breathing body. And I know a lot of kids have, a favorite plush animal or a toy. It can really be anything. But ask them to lay down on their back and put the toy or the animal on their stomach, and then make them understand that, like, when they breathe in, to really take a deep breath in, and it makes your stomach go up and the plush toy moves too. So it's a really cool effect for them. And then, when they exhale, it just falls down on their stomach again. So that's just one thing. And there's so many different things that you can help your kids to really do mindful breathing. One of them is to have them imagine that they're like a balloon. And when they're inhaling, like they're blowing up the balloon. And exhaling, it's just, it's going back down. Just one simple thing, or visualization, I guess, almost. Another cool one that I like is that they imagine to visualize a sailboat, like on the ocean, and with every breath, with the waves, when they inhale, it goes up with the wave, and then exhale, just goes back down into the water. So there are all kinds of different techniques and things you can do, but those are just 3 to get you going. And you can definitely also come up with your own. It's not about what specifically it is. There's no just one way to doing it. So let your imaginative juices flow, really. But those are just 3 that you should give you a ground to go on.
And I love these also because even as an adult, I'm very, very visual person. And so even as you were just talking about these, I was like, wow, like that actually would probably really help. Because for me, as an adult, when we're doing breathing, you think about filling your stomach up. You can't really see it on your stomach, but even if you just put a pillow on your stomach, and like, I love this idea of the balloon and the boat, because for me, being able to visualize, like having the actual pillow or stuffy there, but being able to visualize something that's growing and getting smaller and growing and getting smaller. I just noticed I got a little notice that said my internet connection is unstable. Thanks, internet connection. So hopefully this video has recorded okay. But thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for the time that you put into our workshop. If you want to find Christina, you can find her workshop in the Abundant Parent workshop at theabundantparent.com. It is an hour-long workshop all about mindfulness, self-talk, and meditation for you and for your kids. She's also going to be in our Facebook group, the Abundant Parent Community group, where she will be answering questions all month, specifically related to meditation and self-talk. You can also find her at Joy Fuel Life. That's joyfuellife.com. where she coaches people about bringing more mindfulness and positivity into their lives. Thank you so much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you later.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
You can join the Abundant Parent community on Facebook. Just look up the Abundant Community, request to join, and I will add you.